Sound effects in Lethal Company have the same repetitiveness of the humour and horror. Starting off with the horror, we have the monsters, and with each monster they have their own unique effect. But what I think Zeeka's has done really well with the sound effects in this game is 1. Having a strong and unique sound that can create a mixture of eeriness from a calm monster to a rush of adrenaline from others. And 2. Having such a good and unique sound that players are able to recognize what the monster is and plan on how to escape it. Especially if it's a thumper, because those guys are fucking dickheads. But having the thumpers as dickheads is funny because you can have so many other monsters that can scare you and just make this situation so much better.